Good morning, everybody. It's coffee time. I'm glad you're here with us. It's early in the morning on a Wednesday. Hopefully you're awake. Actually, by the time you see this, it'll be noon because I always drop them at noon on Central Standard Time. Sorry we didn't have a coffee time last time. We just had a kind of a family issue come up that I needed to take care of, so we didn't have a full schedule last week. Hopefully you're okay with that. But if you do like what we do, make sure you hit that like and subscribe. It does mean a lot to us. And you can hit the little notification bell. I don't know where the notification bell is, but you can hit the notification bell so you can get an alert every time we drop a new video. But like I say, all new videos Monday through Friday drop at noon Central Standard Time. So today we're revisiting a coffee that we've already seen before, only in a slightly different one, the espresso version. This is another Ikea coffee, and it comes in a brick, so the brick's gone. But this is again, it's Swedish, so I don't know. It says Patar, P-A-T-A-R. Stay in the moment with a Patar, a second cup of coffee. I looked up Patar. It doesn't necessarily mean the word coffee, but it doesn't not mean it, so I'm not sure what it is. But this is their gray, or tan, sorry, tan. I'm colorblind in the morning. Tan container. It says Patar. We did buy the already ground coffee, so this was pre-ground. It is Arabica, and it is they have a different kind of as we saw in the previous Ikea coffee, they have a different way of talking about coffee. Their acidity is a level 1. Excuse me, got that morning voice. Body is a level 4, and roasting is a level 4. So it looks like it's a dark roast, medium to dark roast, and probably not roasted for very long, if that's possible, to get the dark roast, because the acidity level is pretty low. And this can be used in a drip pot, and that's what I did. I did it in a drip pot. As you can see, it's quite dark. Full aroma, earthy, little bit of nutty, chocolatey. Now, not a sweet chocolate, more of a non-sweet chocolate, but a nice aroma. Not necessarily the aroma I want to wake up to every morning, but I have been drinking this every morning for about 3 days, just so I can get a nice sense of it, because I felt like the last one I didn't really get a good sense of, being a first try, so I wanted to try it a little bit longer. It smells good. It's just not a really good aroma when you're roasting. Not that it's not a good aroma. There's just no real aroma when you're cooking it in the morning, when you're brewing it. And again, it is very smooth, no acidity like the package says. So it would be a good morning if you're not really into the acidic levels. The more acidic a coffee is, the more I want to add something like a creamer or a sweetened creamer, and I really like my coffee black. Maybe in the afternoons I'll add creamer to it when I've had like a pot of coffee, because I am addicted to coffee. What's funny is we have hundreds of coffees and I can drink all of them. I have thousands of bottles, or at least almost 1,000 bottles of liquor in this room, and I hardly ever touch them except for reviews for you guys. It's kind of weird. Yeah, it's full-bodied, nutty, chocolatey, maybe a little bit of caramel to it, very earthy. It's a nice cup of coffee, just not the aroma that you want. Now, I did neglect to tell you how much this is. We get a lot of feedback from people about pricing or location that I picked these up. And you have to remember out there that not every place is identical to where I'm at. So I'm 100% sure you can only get this online or at Ikea, because it is an Ikea place. And I think I bought this for $8. It could be as high as $12 depending on your area. It's just like the economy anywhere else. It's like gasoline. Costs go up and down, up and down. But sometimes I buy coffee and people put in the comments that I'm completely wrong, that it was only this much for them, or that they bought it at this place. And really there are no exclusives to coffee except for possibly this and coffee that is craft coffee for certain places. So yeah, I bought this for about $8 to $10. I can't remember which because I bought several of them. But it wasn't that expensive, and it's right near the checkout. And it's worth getting. It's a big brick, by the way. It was packed full. I think it's a 17.6 or 1.18 ounce brick. Normally you only get coffee in about 8 to 12 ounce bricks. So this was a really, really big brick. But yeah, about $8 to $12. Not too bad. Pretty nice pickup. They have another one that I didn't get, but if I go back I might get it. It's a green or a pea green labeled coffee. But tell us what you think about Ikea coffee, or big store coffee for that matter. This is a Swedish coffee. Swedish, not that the coffee's grown there, but it's roasted and produced or packaged there. I think this is a mix of coffee from all over the place. Does it say where it's from? Oh, I'm sorry, this is produced in the Netherlands. I don't know why I keep saying Sweden for Ikea, but it doesn't really say where the bean is from. I think they do a mixed bean, like they're putting beans in from all over, but I don't know. Check out all of our other videos Monday through Friday. Mondays are oddities, Tuesday, Thursdays are whiskeys or flavored whiskeys, and of course Fridays are cocktails. And I think we're going to do a very special series of cocktails this Friday, I think, so check it out. We didn't do cocktails last Friday because, again, of that family issue going on, but we should be back on track. But you know, tell us what you think about coffee and alcohol, different kinds that you like. Check out all of those videos. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe. Check out Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and TikTok, as well as our merchandise. And it looks like my morning congestion is hitting me, so I'll let you go. Have a great Wednesday, great hump day, and we'll see you tomorrow for whiskey. Cheers.